An EDC, Everyday Carry, Multitool is a compact, versatile device designed to combine several essential tools into one portable package. It offering quick solutions to minor tasks or emergencies, making them popular among outdoor enthusiasts, DIYers, and those looking for practical tools to handle everyday challenges. Meet the Gripsher, your ultimate compact multi-tool that's tough, versatile, and fits right in your pocket. Equipped with high-strength jaws, it handles bolts, wires, and even small repairs with ease. Say goodbye to bulky tools. Need to open a bottle? Tighten a screw? Cut a wire? The Gripsher does it all. It's packed with clever features like a built-in ruler, hex bit holder, and even a carabiner for easy carry. Whether you're a DIYer, camper, or just love being prepared, the Gripsher is your go-to tool. Compact, durable, reliable. Introducing the Beas Ti Titanium Multitool, a powerhouse of versatility, designed to handle every challenge in style. Crafted from premium titanium, it's lightweight yet strong enough to tackle the toughest jobs. Need a screwdriver? A bottle opener? A cord cutter? The Beas Ti has it all. Packed with over 10 tools, including hex wrenches, a pry bar, and a glass breaker, this multi-tool is ready for anything. From outdoor adventures to everyday tasks, the Beas Ti is your ultimate pocket companion. Compact, durable, and built for performance, the Beas Ti Titanium Multitool is the tool you'll never want to be without. Meet the Modual innovative bicycle multi-tool and tool roll, a game-changer for cyclists who want convenience and reliability on the go. This compact multi-tool is packed with all the essentials: Allen keys, screwdrivers, a chain breaker, and even a tire lever. And the best part? It comes with a durable tool roll that keeps everything organized and portable. Just roll it, clip it, and you're ready to ride. Whether you're a daily commuter or an adventurer on two wheels, the Modual multi-tool ensures you're always prepared. Stay efficient, stay mobile, and ride worry-free with the Modual innovative bicycle multi-tool and tool roll. Say hello to the Toolman, a compact EDC multi-tool that's as versatile as it is stylish. This little powerhouse combines a bottle opener, screwdriver, pry bar, and more all in one sleek design. Built from premium, high-strength materials, the Toolman is tough enough for any everyday task and small enough to carry anywhere. Clip it to your keychain, stash it in your pocket, or toss it in your bag, the Toolman is your go-to tool for any situation. From opening bottles to quick fixes, the Toolman bottle opener and EDC Multitool is built to handle it all. Grab yours now. Say hello to the 0 Hour Apex, a tactical pen that's more than just a writing tool. Crafted from aerospace-grade titanium, this pen offers precision writing and unmatched durability. And with a tungsten tip, it's ready to shatter glass in emergencies. Designed for functionality and style, the 0 Hour Apex is lightweight, perfectly balanced, and built to last. Whether you're signing documents, defending yourself, or prepared for the unexpected, the Apex is your ultimate everyday carry. Upgrade your EDC with the 0 Hour Apex Tactical Pen, where elegance meets toughness. Meet the Titanium Arty Tool, the ultimate multifunctional tool designed for your everyday adventures. Crafted from lightweight yet ultra-durable titanium, this tool combines a bottle opener, pry bar, wrench, and more all in one compact design. It's pocket-sized and keychain-friendly, so you can carry it anywhere without even noticing it's there. Perfect for quick fixes, on-the-go tasks, or even just cracking open a cold drink after a long day. Compact, versatile, and built to last, the Titanium Arty Tool is your go-to companion for everyday life. Get yours now! Introducing the Kiki Toolbox, the clever, pocket-sized solution that combines a toolbox with a keyring. Don't let its size fool you, this little guy packs a punch with mini screwdrivers, pliers, and more, all neatly stored in a portable keyring form. Perfect for quick fixes, unexpected repairs, or just keeping your tools handy when you need them. Whether you're out on an adventure or just need a tool on the go, the Kiki Toolbox is always within arm's reach. Compact, convenient, and ready to help. Get your Kiki Toolbox today.